What's up guys, in today's video we'll be exploring the top 5 best handheld gaming consoles that you can get right now. After extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options for different types of buyers, whether it's performance, price, or specific needs. I've included links in the description box down below, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. The Logitech G Cloud emerges as a top contender for the best value handheld gaming console, showcasing Logitech's innovation in design and functionality. With a sleek and elegant design, it focuses on delivering a seamless emulation experience, particularly emphasizing cloud gaming. The device features a 7-inch touchscreen surrounded by microphones, along with standard physical controls, including dual off-axis analog sticks, a directional pad, and face buttons in an Xbox configuration. Impressive ergonomics make the G Cloud comfortable to hold, with controls conveniently accessible. Its narrower design compared to competitors like the Steam Deck enhances comfort, and the robust plastic shell provides a sturdier feel. Running on Android 11 with Logitech's handheld gaming interface, the user-friendly interface displays recently opened apps, a quick launch bar, and a system tray. The G Cloud prioritizes cloud gaming during setup, prominently featuring apps like NVIDIA GeForce Now, Steam Link, and Xbox Game Pass. The 7-inch 1080p IPS Touch LCD offers superior resolution, promising up to 12 hours of battery life, twice as long as the Switch Lite. The gaming experience is enhanced with sharp graphics and a Snapdragon 720G, ensuring frame rates between 50 and 60 FPS. In conclusion, the Logitech G Cloud stands out for its elegant design, comfortable feel, and commendable power, making it a worthy investment for a satisfying emulation-based handheld gaming experience. Additionally, its integration with multiple cloud gaming services, immersive features, and optimized streaming capabilities further solidify its position in the handheld gaming market. The Miyoo Mini Plus stands out as an exceptional budget-friendly handheld gaming console, addressing the challenges faced by its predecessor, the Miyoo Mini Retro Gaming Handheld. The Miyoo Mini Plus offers improved comfort for gameplay, catering to users with larger hands. Its key feature is its availability, eliminating the need to navigate through endless waiting lists. The console boasts a transition from a 2.8-inch to a 3.5-inch IPS screen, providing a more ergonomic gaming experience. Despite a slightly larger size, the rearrangement of the D-pad and action buttons enhances comfort during extended gaming sessions. The device is thicker, sacrificing some pocket-friendliness, but the added grip is appreciated by users. The Miyoo Mini Plus retains essential features like a headphone jack, USB-C charging port, and a microSD slot for games and the operating system. The shoulder buttons have a distinct design, larger than the original, improving the gaming experience, especially for 16-bit era games. Internally, the Miyoo Mini Plus mirrors the original's components with a 1.2 GHz processor and 128 MB of RAM, ensuring smooth gameplay for a wide range of retro games. Its compact and lightweight design, coupled with a portable storage bag, makes it ideal for gaming on the go. The device also boasts a high-definition screen and a high-capacity battery, providing 7 to 8 hours of gameplay. Additionally, its customized simple system and support for wireless network connection make it a versatile gaming companion, supporting over 10,000 classic games through a 64 GB TF card. Overall, the Miyoo Mini Plus delivers exceptional value at its price point. The Valve Steam Deck emerges as our top pick for the best handheld PC gaming console, showcasing Valve's unique approach in the gaming hardware landscape. While Valve's hardware history includes both hits and misses, the Steam Deck positions itself as an alternative to consoles like the Nintendo Switch rather than a replacement for gaming PCs. Powered by Linux, it features a user-friendly SteamOS front end, making it easy to install and play many Windows games through Proton. The Steam Deck distinguishes itself with its larger size and potent capabilities, pushing the boundaries of portability in gaming systems. Weighing close to 1.2 pounds and measuring nearly a foot wide, it surpasses the Nintendo Switch in bulk but offers a functional 7-inch 1280 by 800 pixels 60Hz IPS LCD display. The control surfaces and grips, while occupying a significant part of its frame, include dual analog sticks, a directional pad for face buttons, and unique square touchpads below the analog sticks. While the Steam Deck is not as pocket-friendly as its counterparts, it provides a user-friendly interface tailored for gamepad controls, offering an immersive PC gaming experience on the go. Despite its bulk, the Steam Deck stands out as a unique and powerful handheld gaming device, offering an alternative for those seeking a PC gaming experience in a portable form factor. For those seeking a premium gaming experience with a willingness to invest more, the Asus ROG Ally stands out as our top choice for the best high-end handheld gaming console. Beyond being a window into the gaming space, the ROG Ally is essentially a Windows PC integrated into a large-screen controller, offering unparalleled game compatibility. Its sleek exterior houses a formidable Ryzen Z1 Extreme processor, RDNA 3 graphics technology, and other impressive specifications, making it a powerhouse in the handheld gaming market. The ROG Ally's key advantage lies in its operating system, Windows 11, providing access to a broader range of games beyond Steam, including Epic Games, EA Play, Ubisoft Connect, and Xbox Game Pass. Designed explicitly as a portable gaming powerhouse, the device boasts a vibrant 7-inch 1080p 16:9 display, potential for a 120Hz refresh rate, and built-in microphones with AI noise cancellation for clear communication during gameplay. Noteworthy is the ROG Ally's quiet cooling setup, enhancing the immersive gaming experience. Unlike the Steam Deck limited to SteamOS, the ROG Ally's Windows 11 operating system allows users to install games from a wider range of sources, providing the flexibility that PC gamers crave. With a touchscreen for easy navigation and a virtual keyboard for typing, the Asus ROG Ally delivers an unrivaled high-end handheld gaming experience, making it a worthy investment for those seeking luxury and performance in portable gaming. Earning our highest honor as the best overall handheld gaming console, the Nintendo Switch OLED proves to be a phenomenal enhancement for portable gamers, standing out as the superior console in the Switch lineup. While it doesn't undergo drastic changes from the original Nintendo Switch, the allure of the Switch OLED becomes apparent when examining the cumulative impact of its minor upgrades, resulting in a significantly improved gaming experience, especially for handheld gaming enthusiasts. The console's 7-inch OLED screen noticeably elevates the visual output with deep blacks and vibrant colors, surpassing its LCD counterparts. Beyond the display, the Switch OLED enhances the audio experience with upgraded speakers and doubles the storage capacity to 64 GB, a substantial improvement for a handheld device. The inclusion of a micro SD slot further facilitates easy and affordable storage expansion. In terms of design, the slightly larger OLED screen makes a significant difference, and the redesigned wider stand improves the tabletop gaming experience, offering enhanced stability for spontaneous multiplayer sessions. However, the primary reason to opt for the Nintendo Switch OLED remains its extensive game library, featuring timeless classics like The Legend of Zelda, Breath of the Wild, Super Mario Odyssey, Mario Kart 8 Deluxe, Animal Crossing, New Horizons, and Super Smash Bros. Ultimate. Overall, the Nintendo Switch OLED delivers top-notch performance, combining improved features with a rich game library, making it the best overall handheld gaming console and offering excellent value for its price.